Hello, Chris Holland here. I'm going to show you how to make a stick person with a bit of elder, some of this grass and a stick. I've already whittled the end to a point. It's got a short arm and a long arm and a couple of legs. So I'm going to make the head from this piece of elder here. This is going to hold the hair on. Hold your hair on. Oh, look, here is a little Blue Peter version of a head I made earlier. Let's make another one. I find it easier to make the cuts when it's on a longer piece of wood, and then chop the wood off, the head off, chop off the head. Okay, we'll have a big smile. There we go. A couple of little simple thumb push cuts there. Of course you can leave the bark on to give it a toothy grin if you want to. There we go. So we're just going to saw off the head now. Put that over there. Use my little pokey stick to poke out the pith. And we'll put this hair into the top of the head. There we go. Stick that into there. And there you go. A stick person. And this is to celebrate the launch of the colour version of I Love My World. So this is a little free activity. There's loads of activities in I Love My World. It's a nature connection guidebook. It's hands-on, it's practical, it's great for forest school leaders, for teachers, for parents. I want the whole world to know about it because I think every house should have one, and this new e-version is in colour. Hooray! Thanks for watching. Bye.